right, guys. The name of the game today is Mina's gonna kick MJ's butt.
Wow.
So we have 6 really awesome new scented candles at the store. So we are going to blindfold ourselves, and the candles are going to be presented to us, and we are going to try to guess the scent in each candle. You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Bring on the candles.
I need a judge to make sure her blindfold is. Take off my glasses.
Are you implying that I'm a cheater, MJ?
No.
Like, this is next level. You can't even see.
Or breathe. It's great.
So hands stay on the counter, MJ.
Okay.
Or in your pockets. I don't care which.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. So, wait, is there 1 or 2? 1. We're just gonna bump our heads.
No, I'm sorry, there's 2.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, further back.
Ow.
Oh, where is it?
Do we yell out the name?
I have the names.
So you're gonna tell us the 6 and we pick from them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm smelling a candle.
I feel like I smell some vanilla. I don't know what driftwood smells like, but maybe some of that.
This is vanilla dark oak. Is that an option?
Read them one more time. I'm
Dark
gonna go
vanilla sandalwood.
Oh, I'm gonna go dark too. Yep, dark vanilla sandalwood.
Ooh, I want it.
We should do this with our wines, MJ.
Ooh, yeah.
Blind wine tasting. Then everybody's a winner. Where is it? It's a light smell. There's nothing like vanilla-y about it.
I'm ready.
Oh gosh. I'm stuck between 2.
You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
White
Tree
oak.
Farm.
I smelled nothing, and I feel like white oak smells like nothing.
Yeah, it was a very light, like if you like light scents, that's the way to go.
Is it here? Is it candle? Oh.
Mmm. Okay. That's a good one.
I'm ready.
God, you're so much better at this. I'm gonna go dark vanilla sandalwood again.
Again. I'm gonna go District Co.
Mmm. Gotta really get in there. The wick's in my nose. It kind of smells like a tree or a piece of wood, but a Christmassy one.
Like a Christmas tree?
Maybe Tree Farm. Maybe a Christmas tree. I don't smell any vanilla. I don't know what sandalwood smells like, but I don't think I smell it. I'm feeling very unconfident here, but
I'm
go
feeling
ahead.
super confident.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Driftwood.
Oh.
Wow.
Mine was a guess.
Just because it was like a little beachy, maybe? Watch, it's probably Tree Farm.
Probably. Surprisingly hot when your entire face is covered in fabric.
Yeah, I kind of feel like I'm being kidnapped.
I do. I feel like I'm being kidnapped into a very fun game of candle sniffing with prizes.
Candle?
I think that has sandalwood in it.
Dang, this one throws me. All my other choices have been wrong.
Not knowing what sandalwood smells like, I think this is sandalwood as well. MJ, what does sandalwood smell like?
I don't know. I seriously don't know.
Based on the name, it would be like the bottom, like the wood on shoes from way back when.
I'm just gonna use elimination to
I'm ready.
decide.
Are you ready, MJ?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Oak moss sandalwood.
Oh, things are getting crazy. I put mascara on for this, you guys. And no one can even see it. Whoop. Where the heck is it?
It's gone.
It's tiny. Oh, this is definitely a tree. Like Fraser fir, that's not an option though, is it?
Oh yeah, this one's easy.
It's whatever the tree one is.
I have this one.
The tree.
This is burning on my island, probably right now.
1, 2, 3.
Tree, got the
Fraser
tree
fir,
one.
fir tree, farm, tree farm.
Whatever the tree one is.
Okay.
Yeah? We can take our mask off?
Tree farm? Was that an option?
See my mascara? For you guys. I did this for you guys.
Okay, wait, I have the results.
You have the, okay, come back, MJ.
Oh,
Stop
sorry.
shopping.
Okay, MJ is our winner with 2 out of 6.
Did I just get the tree? I just got 1 out of 6. Well,
Yes.
lesson learned. We don't know the names or sense of any of them, but they all smell lovely.
They are amazing.
What's your prize?
To the next winner.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love it. Oh, I can see better.
Thanks for playing the game with us. MJ and I are both terrible at it.
Still a
but
winner.
more rounds to come, and all of these candles are available in the store. You can come smell them for yourselves because we didn't help very much. And a few of them are available online as well. So we'll tag those with a swipe up so you can get them if you're not close by.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, like again, and then ring the bell.
I don't know what ring the bell means.
Me either.
Just ring the bell.